Hello, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenue sur channel moi. Today we're gonna make Haitian patekode. Jodi on a fait patekode on Haitian patekode. So I'm gonna show you how I make mine. Stick around. Okay, welcome back. Right now, like I usually use my hand to make the dough. But this time I was like, you know what? Let me just use the food processor to make it easier for me. So I didn't have any measure. It depends on what, like how the quantity of the patekode you're making, how many patekode you're gonna make it. So I put the flour in there. I melted some butter. The water, I seasoned my water like with Epis, a little maggi, salt, however you want. Like mettez me fait un petit seasonner de l'eau pour me mettre dans farine nan parce que moi remel comme ça mais on ka choisi pour pas faire li. Kunya, we right now we cutting we making the filling. I'm cutting the bell peppers, whatever you want to put in there. Like when it comes to patekode, I put whatever I want in there, but you can choose to hold back on whatever you don't want to put in there. So I cut off some bell pepper. Right now I'm doing the hot dogs. Okay, you can choose not to put the hot dog in there, but I like it in there. Ma coupe hot dog lan kounye. Ou ka mette kempot sovle na inside on dan patekode an. So mwen meme sa yo mreme la dan ye sa yo mette. Alright? So right now I'm cutting the hot dog. Make sure hot dog lan cut in small pieces. Make sure hot dog lan coupe petit et kounya pikliz lan. I'm gonna post a video on how I make my pikliz pour mette on the patekode an. Now I'm frying the hot dog, like, you know, saute everything. Like, I make sure I cook them before I put them in there. Make sure mwen cuit yo avant mette yo dans pate an. Parce que pour yo ka bien cuit. M'pa trop reme hot dog la le manger comme ça. So it's better for me to fry it a little bit. Right now I'm adding the smoked herring, which is the main ingredient in the patekode. Kounya ma fait Aranso qui c'est numéro 1. Lo a fait un patekode pour mettre patekode en dedans. You know I gotta come up with the Epis, Haitian Epis. I'm gonna post a video on that too. Moi mette un petit Epis la kaila dani. This one is the chicken base. Instead of putting maggi in there, mette un petit chicken base. M'pa mette maggi nan fos la. Mette un petit chicken base la dani. I'm adding my bell peppers and a little bit of onions. Just mix them together. You see, like, look how beautiful this look like. If you were here, you would smell the, you know, what's cooking in here. Li very belle, li smell good. And this is what I'm gonna put inside the patekode with other things. And right now I'm cutting the dough. You can choose to make the pate small or big. My dough was so big, so I make like some big patekode. Right now I'm adding the smoked herring, the first mette la dana, Pikliz, boiled eggs. You can choose to not put boiled eggs in there, but I do. Mette œuf, mette aran, mette hot dog lan dan, mette Pikliz. Right now I'm closing the pate. Make sure you close it like really well, so it won't, like, when you put it in the oil, it won't, like, you know, whatever you put in there won't come out. Make sure you you seal it very well. Make sure you ferme pate. I'm using a fork so I can, like, you know, make the little design and on top of the pate. And I'm frying. I fry on low heat because I want to make sure it's not burnt. And you give the pate time to really, like, you know, pour cuit. Mettez sous l'eau et puis pour pas bouler, pour m'ka bay pate en temps pour le ka fouiller bien. And then voila, we're done. If you here for the first time, please subscribe, put your notification bell on, because I'm gonna be posting videos like every week. Sous la première temps, abonnez à channel là, et puis thank you for watching.